Check it out. This is the newest project. Rough, very rough. N54 335. Look at that. Stands, Jesus Christ. 335. Interior looks decent. Pretty good interior, nonetheless. 6-speed. Had to have that on the N54. Headlamp is pretty good. Sunroof work, all windows work. There's a couple upgrades. MHD stage what? Stage 2. Okay. Aftermarket charge pipe, dirty filters. Does have a new valve cover, which I love that. I love that, and it does have a new oil filter gasket, so that's good. Got a new tank, reservoir tank for the coolant, but it does have a damn coolant leak from supposedly the water pump. Haven't got to that point yet, but most importantly, we have a MOSFET issue, so we're gonna work on that. Car does run pretty good, but cylinder misfires and injectors, so definitely gonna send that in for repair. But yep, that's it. Little project, picked it up for under 2K. I'm hoping a single turbo this thing, but you know, one step at a time for sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the second day of having the car at the house. Today we're gonna tackle whatever's going on here. Needs a new hood. I'm gonna order that as soon as I get ECU back in. Just send the ECU off to get the MOSFETs replaced to Houston. So if anybody wants to know where that is, best price around about $100. If anybody know where that is, I can link them to you. But yeah, this car is definitely rough. Definitely rough. Interior looks pretty good though. Not gonna complain too much about the interior. And that 6-speed, can't really hate on that. Here's my other rim. Just gonna go here. Shit of trash. I'm gonna lift the suspension up. It's got adjustable coilovers. So big project, but trust me, it's gonna look crazy when I get done with it. Bumper fixed. Hood is unfixable, obviously. So that's definitely on the to-do list. Clean her up a little bit. Paint's not terrible, you know, I do paint corrections, so shouldn't be too hard. I got the aftermarket rim in here. That goes here with a blown out tire. Definitely got some potential. I'm super excited about it. Rest of the body looks pretty great, so I have to worry about the hood, possibly fender and bumper. Basically, these 3 items you're looking at. Rims are nice, interior is dope. I'll show you on the interior again. Yeah, it's got some stuff in here now, but clean, no cracks, no rips in the leather. Pretty clean. So we'll be working on that.